Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to print emails from Outlook. So I'm using the 365 version of an Outlook, and if you have the 2019 version or 2016 it is going to work the same, so it doesn't matter which version you have. So if you want to print an email, you just want to open the specific email you want to print. So for me it's gonna be, for example, this one. Double click on the email, and what you wanna do right now is just to click on file, and then you wanna click print. And now, as you can see, I do not have any printer selected connected to my computer, but what you want to do right now is to select the printer you want to use to print the email. Then you can select the print options, and you can add only pages you want to print if the email is so long, the number of copies and the style, the page setup, and these are basic printer settings. So then what you want to do is to just click print, or maybe close it and click print right here. As you can see, I selected the Microsoft Print to PDF, so it is not printing right now. But after clicking print, your printer should just print the email you have just selected to print. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!